This BSR record changer is model C197. Done the regular service work on it, completely disassembled the mechanism and cleaned the old grease, relubricated it. Includes the platter bearing as well as the cycling gear. It's got this 70s era platter on it and a good needle. Everything works just great on it. This is being sold without a base, just for a replacement unit of an existing BSR. Most of them are about the same size and have the same power and audio connections. Good sound out of both left and right channels. I've adjusted the set down point so it will land on the lead-in groove properly. And this is a 3-speed. It does feature a auto cue lift. Tone arm cue lift, I should say. And the end of play works just fine as well. Standard modular power connection and phono plug for the output, and this also has the tabs. So if you're removing your old one for the first time, you just locate these underneath, flip them up like that, and you'll be able to pull the turntable right up. There's just 2 of them.